Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we're gonna check out the Nothing Ear Ones. These are a pair of true wireless earbuds by a brand called Nothing, whose founder and CEO is the ex-CEO of OnePlus. Yeah, that's Carl Pei. And yeah, for around $100 it was launched outside, but in India you can get it for as low as 4500 rupees. That's about $70. And yeah, I got it for exactly that price. So for that price I think this is a steal. So in this video we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna check out what comes in the box and how this looks. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first up, as you can see, the box is really fancy. It looks really amazing. You have the design of the earphone on the front and there are a lot of details all around the box. And yeah, it's kind of a typewriter font which is really nice to look at, and yeah, it feels modern. Now let's just quickly wrap this peel and then let's just open up the box. So the box has an interesting option to open it up. You have a pull tab. You have to pull it up and tear it down. So that one side of the box will come up and inside you'll see another silver box. Now in this silver box you will get the earphones on top, which looks amazing, to be honest. If you look at it for the first time, it will look amazing. And yeah, it is looking amazing. It has the transparent design as was all the hype about. And yeah, underneath this you will get a USB Type-C cable which is braided, and yeah, it looks really amazing. But it is a short one, which is a bummer. A longer one would have been more useful. And apart from this, we get a few earbud sizes, like the small and large one. Then the medium ones are already fitted on the earbuds themselves. And apart from this, the last thing that we get are a few manuals and the warranty instructions. So yes, this is what we get in the box. And yeah, now let's just keep everything aside and let's just check out the earphones. So first impressions, the box is pretty big compared to other earphones like TWS earphones. Okay, so yeah, it is not that pocketable, although it is slim, but it is a big box in like what should I say, breadth. So yes, it is a big box and yeah, it won't fit in every pocket. But nevertheless, it looks really amazing. It has this clear plastic design. So it is made out of plastic, and keep that in mind that it will get scratched up really easily. So yes, as you can see, the case looks really nice. We have a USB Type-C port and a button to like pair it or check the charging for the case through it. And yes, this case also supports wireless charging, which is a really nice thing. Now let's just quickly open the case up and check out the earbuds. So after opening the case up, the hinge is really nice. It has a spring loaded mechanism and it also has magnets, which is really nice. Overall, the build quality looks really good. Now let's take out the earphones of the box and let's check them out. So we have the right earbud and the left earbud. One has the red color, one has the white color, which is really nice to distinguish them. And yeah, as you can see, this has this transparent design kind of thing. You have this transparent plastic with the Nothing logo on the stems on both of them, and inside you can see some of the parts of the earphones, which is really nice. The earbuds themselves are not transparent, which is a bummer. They are in white, but yes, they look really nice. So this was all the hype about a new design, a new fresh design, honestly, and it looks really nice. I just don't really like the case being transparent because it will get scratched up really easily. But yes, the earbuds themselves are really nice. And yeah, the magnets are pretty strong, so they held up the earbuds really well, and you have a few lights here and there. And overall, I would say these feel really good. And I wore them and used them for a bit, and yeah, these are really comfortable earphones. So yes, I'm gonna give my verdict and everything else in the full review. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for that and hit that bell notification to stay notified. And yes, that's about it for this particular video of the unboxing of the Nothing Ear ones. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and as I said, definitely subscribe to the channel to get the full review and more other videos, and also hit the notification bell. Alright, yeah. So with that said, I'm your friend Shinobi and I'm signing out. Peace.